Find a position that feels supportive to your body. And gently allowing your eyes to close. And just allow yourself to drift inwards, feeling each breath and noticing any sensations that may come up. Take a deep, intentional breath in through your nose, feeling your ribs expand, and let it out with a heavy, audible sigh. Do that once more. Inhale deeply, gathering up any tension from your day, and exhale to let it all go. As you settle back into the natural rhythm of your breathing, notice the weight of your body against the surface beneath you. You are held. You are grounded. You are present. And as you begin to relax even more and without judgment, gather up any expectations and exhale to let them all go. As your breath returns to a comfortable pace, bring your awareness to the center of your chest. Sense that within you there is a timeline. For a moment, you can visualize the milestones you thought you should have reached by this exact age. Perhaps they are professional. Perhaps they are personal. Or perhaps they are just feelings of stability you expected to have mastered by now. You acknowledge these expectations without judging them. They are all just stories. As this timeline begins to drift further and further away, your focus returns back to your breath. Every inhale is a brand new moment. Every exhale is the completion of the moment that just passed. You are present here in this moment, one with the breath. As you continue to relax, you consider the possibility that your life is not a race to be won, but a garden that grows in seasons. Some seasons are for planting, some are for the messy work of weeding, and some are for the quiet, invisible growth that happens underground before anything even blooms. Breathe into this realization. And as you continue to relax, you are reminded that you have survived every challenge that has brought you to this minute. You have navigated every unexpected detour with a resilience you might not even give yourself credit for. Breathe into the space of your own potential. You are allowed to be a work in progress. You are allowed to change your mind. You are allowed to be exactly who you are right now without needing to justify it to a checklist. feeling the breath drifting even more within. You are supported, and you are right where you need to be. As you take a final deep breath, filling your entire body with a sense of peace and permission, you slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring this feeling of arrival back with you. You aren't chasing your life. You are living it. Every part of it. And when you are ready, gently blink your eyes open and return to the room, knowing that you are right where you need to be. Have a wonderful day.